Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I'm going to bring you something a little bit different. I'm taking a break from cleaning and decorating, and I actually got out this morning to do a little thrifting. So I'm going to bring to you a small thrifting haul. So if you are interested in what I picked up, just keep on watching. I'm going to start off with this beautiful picture frame. I love the ornate details on this frame here. Let me just say, I love to thrift at my local SPCA thrift store. It's a store in my area where maybe on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, they put the store, everything in the store 50% off, all right? And that's when I go in. They put the notification on Facebook, and then I'm out. Tell hubby, I'll see you in a few. I'm heading to SPCA thrift store. But guys, this frame is so pretty. It is a plastic frame, but I love the details. It was marked $5 and I only paid $2.50 for it. Now the problem will be me putting a picture in this frame. If you've been following me, you know I'm bad at that. The next item is something that I can put on a coffee table, on a console table, in a vignette, anywhere in my home. And it is this beautiful, beautiful, I'm gonna call it a little canister because it does have a lid. But I love the details of the swirls on it. It is just beautiful. And this was also marked $5. I don't know if you can see that. So I got it for $2.50. Now, the items that I'm picking up will be placed in my living room. I am loving like Tuscan decor again. I am loving traditional decor again. So this will stand the test of time in home decor, home interior, okay, home design. Now the next item, I'm hoping and praying it works. I picked up an ultra slim picture light, and I've been looking at this. I actually have one in my Amazon cart as we speak. But when I came across this, I was like, oh yes, I'm gonna try it, especially for this price. This was marked $8, and I got it for $4. So I'm praying that it works. I'm planning on putting it or installing it. I have a picture I'm looking across my room at. It will be perfect over there. All right, so pretty. All right, and it's gold. Next is, oh, it's heavy. Something that actually came from Kirkland's, and I'm sure a while ago. And it is a beautiful plaque. Now, if you can look across my shoulder over my fireplace, I thought about this going with that or anywhere here in my living room. But I thought this was pretty. Again, it's giving me the Tuscan and kind of traditional feeling. It's just beautiful, and I'm loving the swirls in that. Planning on putting this on an easel. I do need to touch it up a bit with a little paint, but it will be fine because it was marked $8 and I got it for $4. Couple of more pieces to show you, and then we can call this a wrap. The next item I picked up, I was standing in line in the checkout and everybody was oohing and ahhing over it. And I'm like, okay. And the cashier was like, wow, that's huge. And it is this beautiful, large vase. And then I told her, I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna paint it. So stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna keep it clear. I'm not a person that really loves clear vases because I don't like to see things through the base. That's just me. But I'm loving the large vase here. And actually I was looking at a couple of them in Ross and Home Goods, and they can run you anywhere between $29.99 to $49.99. All right. And this was marked $20. And I got it for $10. So definitely will not cost me $30 to $50. All right. So put my own touches on this and we will be good to go. Now lastly, I purchased this a couple of weeks ago. And if you've been following me on Instagram, you need to follow me over there, because I post things over there lots of times before I even bring it to the YouTube channel. But I was strolling along in my SPCA thrift store, minding my own business. I rounded a corner and I saw this beautiful, beautiful coffee table. Now, did I need another coffee table? No. But did I want her? Oh yes, I wanted her. And then the price, she was marked $30 and I got her for $15. Oh my goodness, I had to have it, and it fits beautifully in my living room. Now, before I end this thrift haul, I must give one of my beautiful YouTube sisters a shout out, and she is none other than Catherine, of Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. Now, I was meaning to do this a while ago, and I didn't, but Catherine, she did for the month of February, she featured several YouTubers, several creators, including myself, during the Black History Month. And Catherine, and I've told you this, I will put that playlist on for that whole month and just play it. She did this on her shorts. So it is so much inspiration and motivation for me. So I'm telling you out there, if you need to be uplifted, if you need some motivation, some inspiration, check out this playlist. I will have it linked in my description box down below. And better yet, show my sister Catherine some love. I will have her channel listed in my description box down below. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Doesn't cost you a thing, just a little energy, and make sure you double click it. That way you will be in the know of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ADH family member, you already know you are considered one of my blessties. I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of our amazing family here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, And I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.